Okay, I bet you didn't think I could jump that high. Now that I jumped over the house to show you, let's go take a look. Okay, now that we're inside, let's take a look at a few of my favorite features. For starters, check out this kitchen. Beautiful white cabinetry, black granite countertops, massive island with seating for 6. What more could you ask for? Then, as you can see, the kitchen overlooks the dining area and the living room to make an amazing open floor plan. Going one step further to make it even better, this entire wall basically is sliding glass doors to bring the indoors out and the outdoors in, leading out to your covered patio. It's absolutely phenomenal for any time of year. Above all else, I'd probably have to say my favorite feature in this home is the finished basement. This huge open area that makes it perfect for the big gaming area, whatever you decide to convert this into. It is absolutely incredible.